Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix unarc.dll error code for thin. So usually when we try to install the pirated games or even not or the repack games that you download from unknown sources, you will often encounter this error. So in order to install the repack games, you can try to set power plan in your Windows to balance. You can try to search power plan. You can click on choose power plan, and you can try to change plan setting on balance option. Here you can click on change advanced power settings. Here, this is the power options, and you can set your processor power management, the maximum processor state at 100%. And of course, you can try to open or run Windows run msconfig. You can try to type msconfig, click OK, and click on boot and click advanced options, and take the box of number of processor and try to use all the processors. Click OK and restart your PC or your laptop and try to reinstall the game. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.